Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now, how good are pizza bases, Aldi's, in an Aldi air fryer? Never done one of these before in an air fryer. So it might be worth having a nice little experiment. See how things get on. See how it works out. See if it's better than in the oven. So, as I say, I am the old food guy. Let's get cooking. So let me show you what I bought. Well, let me show you what I got. I got my Aldi pizza base. I got that. I've got some sauce, some tomato sauce, bit of mozzarella. I've got some pizza bits. I've got baking paper. I've got a bit of foil, which I'll show you what that's for in a minute. And I just got an old saucer. Alright, first things first, get the pizza base. And obviously because the Aldi air fryer, they're not massive inside. So I've got to cut it out to size. So I'll do that. Right, let's open the pizza base up first. Let's get it out. Been room temperature for about an hour. So I want to get myself my saucer. I've measured that, it fits inside the basket. And I'm just going to cut around the edge. Well, I've cut all that side, got a parchment paper underneath, I put it on there. I'm going to cut this open. Bit of sauce on, don't think you need a lot once it's spread out. As I say, I don't know what these are going to taste like. Never done it before. Made pizzas before, but not in the air fryer. Bit of cheese, cut the cheese open. Quite simple this one, to be fair, if it works. Spread some nice cheese on. Now I don't know whether I should have put some fork marks in the bottom of it, I don't know. But I'm just going to do it like this. Now I'm going to get me bits, see if I can open these, my pizza bits. Looking nice. Put a few of them on. Four. I'm going to put 4 cheese on as well. In between. Melt it on top. Now as I say, I don't know how long it's going to take. But what does it say on the packet in the oven, how long it takes? What's that? 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm thinking maybe 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the air fryer on. I'm going to let that warm up. Right, what I want to do, I've got some foil here. So I'm thinking, how do I get it back out? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some handles. Just to stick underneath so I can pull it out. Don't want them too big. There's one. That's it, 4 of them. There's your basket. And what I was thinking was, they're going to be long enough. You don't want them too long, because you don't want them to come to the top, you just want to be able to grab it after. That's it. 2 might be enough actually, but that's what I'm thinking. What do you think? Do you think that'll work? I don't think I need that one, to be fair. Now get your parchment paper and your pizza and try and get it in. This is going to be another fun part. There it is. Slide it in. Does it fit? I never even measured it properly, I don't think. There you go. Try and get it neat. There you go, look. And get it back out, you use them, if it works. So we're going to put that in the basket. I'm going to stick it in. And I'm going to do 10 minutes, I think, 180 degrees. and I'll check it at 5. Let's try that. Trial and error, as you say. As I say, if you do like content like this, just to subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment. As I say, it's only budget cooking for me. Cheap and cheerful, but tastes nice. I don't know whether this tastes nice because I've never done it before, so. Right, that's been in for 5 minutes, I haven't opened it, so let's have a look. Oh, okay. There it is at the minute. It's starting to cook. Do pushing them down a bit, they're going to be hot now. It's melting. Let's stick it back in. Number 5. So that's got about 2 minutes to go. I've made myself some little pizza Twizzlers. Pizza sticks. See if they cook as well. Just with the excess of this. Cut a bit off, fold it in half, bit of cheese in the middle. Might taste nice as a snack. Let's have a go. Right, that's on its last minute now. So I don't know if it's going to cook underneath. There we go, that's just finished. Let's check it, see if it's burnt. Probably melted absolutely everywhere. Oh my god, look at that. See that? But is it cooked underneath? That's the question. And I've got to try and get it out as well. That's another question. I hope it's not stuck to the bottom. Seems to be. Let's see. Oh, my handles have worked. Okay. Looking nice. Is it cooked underneath? It is. Look at that. Maybe a bit too long. Maybe a bit too, mind you, people might like it like that. Well, I'm going to let that cool down. And I'm going to stick these Twizzlers in. Put a bit of oil in. And stick these Twizzler things in. See what these taste like. Well, that cools down before we taste test. And I'm going to put them in. I'm just going to do them for like 7 minutes, I think. Because I think that could have done with probably a few minutes less. Do that for 7 minutes, 200 degrees. That looks nice. So we can show you the back. It's crispy around the edges. At the moment the truth will come when we taste test. Right, let's see how these Twizzler things are getting on. Okay. See that? They look nice. Cheese pouring out the middle. There we go. Little pizza. And some Twizzler things. Right, let's go and give it a taste test with the pre-made pastry. See what it tastes like. So there we go then. There's the pizza. So I could have done with a couple of less minutes, I think. But I don't know whether the bottom would have cooked, you see. Or maybe a little bit less cheese. And there's the pizza sticks, I suppose you call them. So it's time to taste and see. Right, my moment of truth. See if it's cooked underneath. Very nice and fluffy. Very nice and fluffy. It's cooked, definitely cooked. Tastes nice as well, just very nice. Yes. I'd say maybe 9 minutes just so it doesn't brown, but you might like it like that. That's very nice. Let's try one of these. I don't know if it's going to be hot. Let me cut it. Doesn't seem much cheese in there, to be fair. But it's all in the taste. Cooked. 7 minutes. I could have done with more cheese in them. They're nice though. You try the other one, was there more cheese in the other one? Yeah, a bit more. They're a little bit doughy. Probably a bit more cheese in them. And maybe 8 minutes instead of 7. But this is lovely. It's lovely pizza. Got a crunch at the back. Soft under the bottom. That's the thumbs up from me for first time. Anyway, if you do like content like this, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I upload every day, just try different things. It's all budget cooking. Just see what happens, if I can help anyway. Leave us a comment and I'll reply to you. So until the next video, bye bye.